All right, team, I am here to acknowledge a small but big victory. After 5 years of development, it's finally here. This is the bar modifier to the chain beast that I know I have been promising everyone. It's finally done with our injection molding, so it's a much sturdier piece at this point. It's a nice, still has a nice fit, snug fit, 2 pieces. Goes right on in there. And again, if you already have the chain beast, you know how it works. This is a critical component in making the chain beast work. Again, this piece is also patented. They all tie together. And I'm just really excited that it's done because I've been promising you all for the last, like I said, 5 years that it's coming. And I appreciate you all waiting. A lot of people don't realize how long it takes certain things to get done when you're a small business. It's especially doing rapid prototyping and developing. You know, I'm constantly building, and things are constantly changing. So it's finally stabilized and it's here. And I can't thank everyone enough for supporting me because I couldn't have got here without you. And I'll add this while I'm here. Those of you that know me, you will either see that I'm a nice guy or I'm a mean guy. And that's simply because I will return whatever energy you put out at me. If you put out good energy, I'm going to give that to you twofold. If you put out bad energy, I'm going to send it back to you. I'm just being honest with you. So to return the positive energy for those of you that have stuck by me, look, I'm going to send out these for free. You're getting a free upgrade to anyone that has purchased the Chain Beast or purchased the F2 bar, because these go on both of them. So again, you will receive, I'm giving you the free upgrades. You will receive 4, which is essentially 2. The only thing you have to pay is the $7 on shipping. Otherwise, you were getting these for free. Again, that's my way of saying thank you for helping me grow through this process, and we are finally here. And this is a big step forward. Again, can't thank you enough. Looking forward to getting this tested out, and there is something big coming down the line. There is I hate the term game changer because that's so played out, but there is something big coming. I will be releasing it in the next couple of weeks. It's sick. It's gonna shatter the industry again. But in the meantime, put in your request to get your F2 bar modifiers, and again, you will get a total of 4, which will work on 2 chain beasts, and the only thing you're paying for is the $7 about shipping right now. All right, with that, I'm out. Thank you very much and have a great day. Hoorah, I'm out.